The U by Moen shower controller can be mounted right in the shower. The simple interface allows you to turn the shower on and off, as well as restart the shower after being paused during warm-up mode. You can also turn on the shower by simply pressing the preset 1 or 2 buttons. The number will glow to show that the selected preset is active. Temperature is easily controlled using the hot or cold arrow keys. Each depression equals 1 degree of temperature change. Up to 4 outlets can be controlled. You may choose between a wall mount shower, hand shower, body sprays, or any other outlets you may have in your shower. You can turn on any or all outlets as desired. The 2 preset buttons allow you to save your preferred settings for one-touch activation of your personalized shower experience. Simply set your preferred temperature. Select which outlets you want water to flow from, and press and hold one of the preset buttons for 2 to 3 seconds until you hear it beep. U by Moen Shower, the shower designed just for you. Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.